We motored out of the Golden Gate, staying in the deep water ship channel. There was breaking waves even in the channel, so it was pretty rough. And we stayed under power until we cleared all 4 of the entrance buoys marking the deep water channel, and then for another hour after that, until we got out in the nice deep water where the waves are not breaking and it's a little bit easier motion. We have wind about 20 to 25 knots. We measured it, gusting at deck level 20 and gusting up to 25. I headed downwind to make it a little bit safer on the foredeck, and Laura put up our number 3 jib, and that's where we are now. Cruising under number 3 jib, making about 5 knots on a heading of 210 towards our first waypoint.